Hello po, ako po si Yesha Di Maano, 18 years old. Nakatira po ako sa Tanawan City, Batangas. And ako po ay na-diagnose na meron po akong ovarian cyst. Nito lang pong January 2022, nakaramdam po ako ng pananakit ng tiyan ko po. Bali po, ang ginagawa ko, kada sumasakit po yung tiyan ko, umiinom lang po ako ng pain reliever. Tapos po, yun po nawawala, pero bumabalik din po. Kaya po, paulit-ulit lang po yung ginagawa ko. Umiinom po ulit ako ng pain reliever. Tapos yun po, nahihirapan po ako sa pagmamodule ko. Hindi na po ako makapag-concentrate ng ayos. Tapos po, may mga training din po kami na hindi po ako nakaka-attend. Yung sa taekwondo po namin, hindi po ako nakaka-attend. Tapos po, may time din po na kapag po sa gabi po, yung tulog ako, bigla-bigla pong sumasakit yung tiyan ko. Ganun po. Tapos po, nitong March 2022 po, mas tumindi po yung pananakit ng tiyan ko. Kaya po sinabi po ni mami na magpa-check up daw po ako. And sabi po ng doktor, yun po, need pong i-ultrasound. Nung na-ultrasound po, sinabi po na meron po akong cyst, ovarian cyst po. Sinabi po ng doktor na need pong obserbahan kung lalaki daw po. At pag lumaki po yung cyst po, is mag-undergo po ako sa surgery po. Nung nalaman po ni tita na mayroon nga po akong ovarian cyst, nirecommend niyo po sa akin itong F2N Theobroma Superfood po. Kaya po, ang ginawa ko po is araw-araw po akong uminom, and yun po, napansin ko po na nababawasan po yung pananakit ng tiyan ko, hindi na po ganun kadalas katulad dati po. Nagtuloy-tuloy po yung paggamit ko po ng F2N Theobroma Superfood, and after a month po, bumalik po kami sa doktor and nag-undergo po ako sa transrectal ultrasound, and nung makita po yung result, thank God po na wala po yung cyst po sa aking ovary po. Kahit po yung doktor po, nagulat po sa naging result.
Well, again, this is your doctor. The name is sad. Well, we have patients, or we have people who have testimonies who suffered from tumors and malignancies, and we know that they claim that after taking Theobroma Superfood, somehow their conditions improve. Well, one benefit of Theobroma Superfood is that in its polyphenols and flavonoids, it contains catechins and epicatechins. These are very good phytochemicals and well known for fighting what we call progression of cancer cells. They help prevent the proliferation of your cancer cells because they stop the cancer cells from producing or developing new blood vessels, which facilitates what we call metastasis or spread. And it is also known that these good chemicals in Theobroma cacao or Theobroma Superfood helps also prevent the growth of cancer cells by promoting natural cell death or cancer cell death, which we call apoptosis, which in common term or in layman's term, the cancer cells, when exposed to these good chemicals in Theobroma Superfood, they commit suicide. So this is one way that the cancer cells do not proliferate. And another benefit of people suffering from malignancies and tumors is that our Theobroma Superfood has a very good effect on inflammation. It is anti-inflammatory both for chronic and acute. So chronic inflammation, it also prevents further proliferation of your cancer cells. Acute inflammation and mitigation of pain is one of the main benefits or the initial benefits. That's why people, when they take Theobroma Superfood, somehow they felt that the pain is manageable or tolerable, or sometimes in other cases the pain is totally gone. We encourage you to try it. It is not a medication, but it is a supplement that can help you cope up with your chronic medical condition. Again, this is Dr. Denise Hatzad saying thank you.
Tuloy-tuloy na yung pag-take ko ng F2N Theobroma Superfood, and yun po, bumalik na po ako sa dati kong ginagawa, like nakaka-attend na po ako ng training namin sa taekwondo, and nakakapag-focus na po ako sa pag-aaral ko, and nakapag-sideline din po ako sa fast food chain po. Ito po pala yung F2 and Theobroma Superfood na talaga pong nakapagpagaling sa aking ovarian cyst. And sinabayan ko po siya nitong Theobroma C po. At ini-invite ko po kayong lahat na i-take po ito kasi talaga pong malaki ang naitulong nito sa akin. At ayun po, thank you po Theobroma Superfood and F2N Marketing. Maraming salamat.